This week in the Engineers Journal. In chemical engineering news, we explore Ireland's urgent need for a comprehensive water plan to address long-term changes, including extreme weather events, pollution, and wastage. In civil engineering news, in 2010 and 2021, Haiti has endured the devastation of two catastrophic earthquakes. Now, researchers are working on strengthening Haiti's earthquake resilience with a number of engineering solutions. We have an interesting mechanical engineering article on solar installation factories that help speed up the process of building large-scale solar farms, reducing the installation cost of this renewable energy source. In technology news, artificial intelligence is helping to improve urban flow in smart cities, using cameras to observe pedestrian and traffic flow to understand how space is being used and how it could be improved. In biomedical engineering news, researchers have devised a simplified process that bypasses the stem cell stage, converting a skin cell directly into a neuron in a highly efficient method that can produce more than 10 neurons from a single skin cell. The Engineers Journal is an Engineers Ireland member-only benefit, which provides members with in-depth technical articles and news. Read all of these articles and more in the Engineers Journal to discover the latest news and to stay up to date in the world of engineering.